Is it a eat? I think I eat. I think for beginner, this is a eat. This is a eat. I like it. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to Reppin' Beauty. How y'all doing today? If y'all are new here, my name is Destiny and this is Reppin' Beauty. Today I'm gonna be attempting my first clean girl everyday makeup look. And what y'all might be thinking, your channel is called Reppin' Beauty and you don't know how to do makeup? Exactly. I wasn't able to play makeup until after I graduated high school, and now I can somewhat do my eyebrows. But I went to Target, picked up a whole bunch of little knick-knack paddywhacks. There was a nice lady in Target, the nice little worker. She walked around with me, showed me some stuff. It really helped me out because I don't know what I'm looking for. Yeah, she was really nice. Shout out to her. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 please leave me any tips, any tricks that can help me out with this, because I don't do this. I don't know what I'm doing. So this is not a tutorial, as I said. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never really done a soft glam, anything. I haven't done it before. Just done my eyebrows and some lip gloss. So you want somebody to know, if you want to watch somebody who knows what they're doing, click out of this video right now, because I'm not who you look for. All right. So if you're still here, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, as I say again, and let's get on into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put my hair back. Oh, if you like the hair, check out my 2 videos ago on my video bubble braids. Yep, cute little protective style. Try it out. So first thing I'm gonna do, I guess, is going in with this Poreless face primer. Oh, I thought it was good. Okay. So I guess they just, this how the lady on the video did it. I'm gonna leave her in the description box or somewhere on the video. Probably gonna watch. And just rub it in. And just rub it in. This kind of smells like tea tree oil. Okay. She's soft. She's soft. And it seemed like all the videos I watched, they all started off with their eyebrows. So I'm going in. I'm gonna use, look at me acting like I'm a real makeup artist. Like I actually know what I'm doing. The Maybelline brown pencil in the shade medium brown. So I'm gonna just, I guess, quickly do my eyebrows. Like I told y'all, I kind of know how to do it. I barely know how to do that. I'm gonna fill it in. Okay. On to the next one. Okay, I know it look crazy. I know it look crazy. No judgment, please. Now let's just go ahead and go in with that concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with the MAC. I don't know what shade this is. If anybody knows, please let me know. I have no idea what shade that is. But yeah, I'm going with the MAC concealer. This nice brown shade. And this brush, I'm not sure where I got it. My mom, she had these. I didn't get these from Target. So now I'm gonna go ahead as I do and conceal and clean up underneath the eye. This part is always hard for me because sometimes I always draw on the actual eyelash and I mess myself up. Eyelash, eyebrow. I guess since this is an everyday look, they said I guess the line is not supposed to be there. I'm gonna blend this out just a little bit. So I use this brush to like blend out the concealer underneath my eyes. And that's not what it's for, but it works for me. And I know they say do what works for you. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit over the top. You see? Okay, y'all see her. See, I kind of know what I'm doing. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I'm kind of liking her. Y'all like her? Okay, let me stop talking my mess so I can actually try, because it's okay. Yup. 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 Yeah. 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 Okay. 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 Let me. I'm too excited, y'all. I'm too excited. Okay. You see? You see her? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. Okay. 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 I like her. I like her. Yeah, I'm kind of liking my eyebrows. I'm kind of liking my eyebrows. Y'all probably thinking, why you hyping up yourself? Why you hooting and hollering? You ain't even did nothing. This is the best I can do. Next, we're going in with foundation. So I'm using the Mate and Poreless by Maybelline. Hit me. So the girl was watching. I'm gonna put her somewhere in here. I think her name is Fatima. She had the little squirt one, so she can just. I don't have that. So I see people, my brush is broken. I see people like sometimes doing this. Or can I just see? Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, that was a whole lot. Okay. I kind of want to. I feel like I could have just a little dabby dab. Can I do a little dabby dab? Should I have done my eyebrows first? Okay, wait. Do I put on my forehead? A little dabby dab. It feels nice and smooth. I can't really. Yeah. So do it. Okay. I feel like I'm painting my face. This is crazy. Should I have done my eyebrows first? I mean, should I have done the foundation first with my eyebrows? I can feel it on my face. That's so weird. Look at me putting on foundation. Like a real makeup guru. Oh yes. Your next MUA. Okay, so now I guess it's time to put concealer in other places. So she put the concealer, I think, here. And then here. And then here. A little dabby dab. Think she did it here. Oh, that was a lot. And then I think she put some on her nose. Yep, that's what we working with. And then she went in with a lighter concealer on top of that, just for a little bit of highlight. So since I'm following along a video, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm using another MAC concealer. I'm not sure what this shade is either, but I do know it's a 24-hour fitness. I mean, 24-hour fitness. 24-hour coverage, max, whatever. My head's all over the place. So she put it in the same spots. It's just like a little bit. Like a dot there. She put the one there. The dot on her forehead, she put another dot. And then she put some in there. And then in there, she probably waited for it to dry first, but you know me. And now we're gonna let this dry. So now that we got the little concealer on our face, and I guess we fanned it out, I guess we going in blending with this. That's what she said. I added a little more above the eye or under the eye because she had it a little higher. I'm just trying to follow the video, y'all. Like I said, do I know what I'm doing? Not at all. I probably should have added more to my chin. Doobie doobie doo. I don't. And I am using an eyeshadow brush for this because I was not sure. It looks similar to her brush. So now we're going in with the Beauty Blender, also from Tarjay. And I guess, well, blending the beauty as it says. Y'all, please don't hesitate to give me feedback. I need it. I really do. Let me know what I should do differently next time. Even though I feel like I'm not doing a bad job. Like, this is my first time really doing this, anything other than my eyebrows, and I feel like I'm doing an okay job. I feel like I'm doing an okay job. So then she went in with like, okay, well, I'm gonna use a little bit of this. She said she went in with like a brown contour, but she had the powder and I don't have powder. So I'm gonna just put a little bit since it's cream. And I'm not sure, but this is where she like put it. She had the powder and put it on those areas. Let me just do that. So I'm gonna just, I guess. I don't even think I really even put enough on to make a difference in anything. What y'all think? I think I'm doing something here. And now she said she going into with a bronzer, I guess to illuminate or warm her face. And it says warmth here, add warmth. So I'm gonna just put some of my finger in here. It ain't really, I guess. I hope, is this warming? Do I look warmer? Was I looking cold? Okay. I mean, I don't see a difference in what I just did. I don't know what I just did. I don't know. So then she went in with some blush, but I ain't got blush. And I heard people on TikTok talking about they use eyeshadow as blush sometimes, blush. So I'm gonna try this Kiss to see how it works. I got this from DD's, y'all. Don't sleep on DD. That's my girl. I'm just a little bit. Just a little bit, because is it doing? I don't really see it. Kind of. I don't know if I like it though. She's kind of cute. I kind of. He's kind of cute. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one is a lot more red than the other one. No. I don't like it. I do not like that at all. Okay. So we just gonna put some lip gloss on. Yeah, so I got this gold sparkly lip gloss. I made it when I was selling lip gloss, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. So we got the lip gloss on. So this seems to be the finished look. I don't hate it. I kind of think I look cute. I kind of like it. But tell me what y'all think. Please do. All criticism is welcome. I need it. Please and thank you. Tell me what y'all think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.